it is all about tap and love. Today we are going to be starting the beginner tap tutorial series. Try saying that 3 times fast. Beginner tap tutorial series, beginner tap tutorials. Get to it. Today you are going to learn how to do digs, drops, taps, and scuffs. So that breaks down into 6 different steps that you're going to be learning in today's tutorial. At the end of the session, we're going to put it all together in a little combination that's going to help you perfect the steps that you've learned. So you're already going to be tapping away before this video is even over. Now, as you saw at the beginning of this video, you don't even need tap shoes. Just grab your sneakers or a pair of shoes that are comfortable to you and start tapping. So today we are going to start with a toe dig and a heel dig, your first 2 steps. So a toe dig, you're going to take the tip of your tap shoe and hit it on the ground. That is a toe dig. It is also sometimes called a toe tip because it's using the tip of your tap shoe. A heel dig is just the opposite. You're going to take your heel and dig it into the floor. It's that easy. 1 sound, heel dig. So we have toe dig and we have heel dig. And from the other side, we have a toe dig and a heel dig. All right, let's move on. So our next step is going to be a toe drop and a heel drop. This one's a little different. You're going to keep your weight centered on the floor, and all you're going to do is you're going to pick up your toe and drop it. That's why it's called a toe drop. Pick up your toe and drop it. Same thing with the heel drop. Pick up your heel and drop it. Pick up your heel and drop it. So again, to review, we have a toe dig or toe tip, a heel dig, a toe drop, and a heel drop. All right, next we are going to do a toe tap. A toe tap, I'm going to turn around for this. We're only going to use the tap on our toe. So you're going to lift your foot out of the air and tap it down. That is a toe tap. So the toe drop was here, the toe dig was here, and the toe tap is here. And our final step for today is a scuff. You do this with your heel. It's a little bit like a heel dig, except you're moving through it. So rather than just stopping with the dig, you're going to actually scuff your heel. You want to make sure you're not using any part of your toe tap. The only sound you're getting is your heel tap. Heel. So again, turn around. We have toe dig or toe tip, heel dig, toe drop, and heel drop, toe tap, and scuff. All right, now we are going to learn a little combination just so you can practice these skills. So we are going to start with 4 toe drops and heel drops. So we're going to do, starting with the right foot, we're going to do toe, toe, so toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. We're going to do that one more time. Toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. Now you can do this staying in place, or you can do it like I'm doing it and move it a little bit. So you're just going to go to your left with your right foot. Toe drop, right heel, heel drop, left heel, heel drop. Again, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. All right, let's try that a little bit faster. Here we go, starting with the right foot. And toe drop, heel drop, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. So let's go ahead and add something onto the combination. So we just finished our second toe drop, heel drop. We're going to do a heel dig to the front, heel dig, and a heel drop on that left foot, heel drop. Next, we're going to do a toe tap, out to the side with the right foot, and another heel drop. Now we're going to do a toe dig to the back. Toe dig, heel drop. Great, so let's try those 3 items. Here we go. And dig, tap, dig. And the final step, as I lose my balance a little bit, my final step is a scuff with your right foot, right heel. Scuff, heel. So let's try to put all of this together, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to keep going to the left. We're going to step again on the right foot. Step, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop, toe drop, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. We're going to do the same thing again. Heel dig, heel drop, toe tap, heel drop, toe dig, heel drop. This time instead of a scuff, we're just going to do step. And then we're ready to start on the left foot. Remember, this is video, so you can always go back and rewind and rewind and rewind and go back and practice. We're going to start our toe drops on the left side on the left foot. We're going to the right, but we're going to start on the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. Left, right, left, right. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. All right, now we're going to keep going. So our foot is here, we're ready to go. Remember, the second time around, we are not going to do a toe drop on the left, we're just going to do a step. And then the next step will be a toe drop on the right. So we're going to do a step, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop, toe drop, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. Then we're going to do a dig, heel dig to the front, heel drop, toe tap, heel drop, toe dig, heel drop, scuff, heel drop. And then we're going to start the second part. All right? So let's try to do this with a little bit of music. You did it! Now that you've learned the combination, go ahead and try to speed it up a little bit without missing any sounds. The most difficult part of this combination is going to be where your weight is distributed with each step. So it's going to be a little complicated, but please don't give up. Practice makes perfect. Also, I would love to see how you're doing, so video yourself and tag me on Instagram so that I can take a look. You can even try putting it to music that you love. And if you are doing this as part of a virtual assignment for school over Zoom, go ahead and ask your teacher if she or he can share it with me over Instagram as well. If they do, you might even get a shout out for your school on the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that little bell button below so that you're notified every time a new video is uploaded and ready to go. One more thing, I want to hear from you. So if you want to learn a specific step, if you have questions for me, or if you have requests for future videos, go ahead and comment below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.